guys, this is not our school. My school is Pardan Elementary School, right? The Pardan Elementary School is yellow uniform, and this school is green uniform, and the girls' outfit is pink, yellow, pink. This is pink and yellow and green. They are support. Hello, what my teacher is Marika. We have an exam today. Yes. And 12:30, if 12 is uwian na namin. Kanina lang kami nag-exam. Bukas naman, mag-exam. Last na exam namin. Yes. Yes, let me see ko. Outfit check. Outfit check. Shoes ko. Alright. Ito yung shoes ko, guys. Ito. Shoes ko to, guys. Ayan guys, meron akong baunan. Pero, ipatayin ako dito. Diyan na dito. Pag nauuhaw ako, wait lang. Ako naman ko dito. Nagdalang ako. Wait. Ito yung tupikat ko. Ay, tubig siya guys. Aray ko po. Tingnan niyo yung tubig ko. Nakikita na ba? Yan tayo. Kuya natanggal. Kuya natanggal. Aray ko po. And bye. Tapos yung outfit check. And guys, meron din ako lang ito. Bye! Tignan mo yung hair ko.